Hello, my wonderful viewers. Merry Christmas and Happy New Year. Welcome back again,
Dedicated Foods, a channel of amazing recipes, easy recipes.
guys. Still on Christmas recipe ideas. Today, I'm going to share with you on how to make Kenyan Pilau. Kenyan Pilau is a recipe whereby we make beef. In fact, if I'm going to make beef pilau, you can either make it cook rice with beef or with chicken pilau. And so it's a kind of recipe that can never miss in an occasion. People love it, especially on occasions and everything. So this is one of the best recipes in for Christmas. So kindly watch this video until the end. Let's prepare pilau. So here guys, this is the ingredients that I'm going to use for pilau. I have 1 kg of rice. I've just chopped my onions, red onions. I have my garlic, I have my ginger, and I have my dark soy sauce here. I have whole pilau spice and pilau masala and salt to taste. So I've just boiled my beef. I have 1 kg of beef. Guys, if you want to make the good or the best pilau, make sure you use goat meat. Goat meat is the best for pilau for one reason: it is soft and it is tasty. So come with me. So guys, you start by boiling. I've just boiled my beef here, and then here I have a pan where I'm going to make my rice. So I will just start by adding some oil to fry my onions. So I'll let that oil cook fast. Stay tuned. So I'll start by cooking my onions. Make sure you have plenty of onions, and make sure that the onion brown. If you want to make pure nice pilau, make sure you have plenty of onions, and make sure your onions cooks well and brown. So I'll just cover it and let it cook well. My onions have started browning. Now at this point now you can add your garlic, ginger, give it a good stir. Mhm. Mhm. This is the time I'm going to add in my beef and salt and give it a stir. So guys, I'm going to cover it once again so that it can cook until it browns. The beef gets brown. Stay tuned. Wow guys, so at this moment I'm going to add in my dark soy sauce. So guys, remember the dark soy has salt, so you don't need to put a lot of salt. So at this point I'm going to add in my rice. And my hot water was ready. Just one jug. So guys, I'm going to cover it and give it just 15 minutes and my pilau will be done. So stay tuned. So guys, wow. So guys, this is my pilau. I guess it is done, and so I'm just going to serve it. So let me just leave the foil so that it can dry up. So guys, my pilau is here, right here. So we use the foil to make it dry up. Oh, look at it. So guys, I have my kachumbari here. We normally serve So guys, this is my pilau. Kindly guys, try this for Christmas. During Christmas day, you can never miss pilau recipe in every home. Try it out, you'll love it. Thank you so much for watching this video. Let's meet on another video. Bye bye.